Welcome to Cubics Informatics by Cogsa Research and Solutions. The presentation will talk about cognitive-based informatics called Cubics and how Cubics is used for unstructured data. Unstructured data keeps raining down. More logs, more documents, presentations, spreadsheets, sensor data from the Internet of Things, tweets, posts, video, audio, location information and more. Organizations working in logistics, financial services, healthcare and many other sectors are also capturing more data. Even public social media is creating vast quantities of digital material. The old approach was to keep each kind of data in its own silo, one for customer data, and other one for financials, and other one for social media and so. As data continue to grow, silos just don't cut it. The low utilization rates make storage inefficient and costly. The normal way is to break open silos and channel files and objects into a data lake, holding any kind of data from any system. Conventional big data platforms have multiple independent systems like Hadoop, Cassandra, HDFS and so on to build ecosystem for getting extraction of information and building a knowledge base. Currently most of the technologies just create oceans of data with analytics on demand, which makes it more complex and unmanageable when demand volume increases. DataOcean is a map for classification, clustering and analyzing. It is uniform and still requires additional systems to form into information and knowledge, which makes it more complex. Looking further ahead, what used to be a machine-based computing is moving towards a man-machine intelligence. What used to be static problems is now moving towards evolving problems. This demands better and more robust architectures. One such platform is Cubics. We at Cogsa believe in bio-inspired computing. Living things gradually change over many generations. Like an L system, which explains plant growth. Cubics is a bio-inspired computing that has its own L system. Cubics system also evolves. As more data comes by, Cubics system adapts and evolves, resulting in multiple trees. This creates a data forest. Cubics computing can greatly improve big data processing. Cubics-based computers store and process unstructured data using massively parallel processing. Let's consider a case of identifying a person by name John in the vast data ocean, who is a brother of Sam. In conventional method, if you need to locate John, you would need to traverse through various fixed levels of hierarchical maps. You would traverse through the first level of map to locate the country, and then the second level of map to identify pin code, and so on. Today's systems are efficient in analyzing such tasks. But what if you want to locate the person based on context, characteristics or features like, as a brother of Sam, he has blue eyes, 6 foot tall, and so on. In conventional method, this kind of analysis increases the computation exponentially, because they are limited by fixed levels and they lack cross-mapping. This is overcoming Cubics, where you can perform multi-level crisscross computing with no additional computing cost. In existing platforms, problem is broken into n smaller isolated problems, whereas in Cubics, all the nodes try to solve the same problem. In conventional platform it's hard to move the pivot since it's cluster of systems. Unlike conventional platforms which are a distributable file system, Cubics is a distributable data system with deep learning. Since it's a single structure, Cubics pivot can move to optimally tune the IT infrastructures. In existing big data platforms, data is stitched at a known discrete level, thus giving rise to complex IT infrastructure and development. Unlike this, Cubics is capable of stitching data and forming hierarchical maps, in sync with the provided hardware by itself, thereby reducing the cost in maintaining large systems for less information extraction. Cubics can work on any distributable hardware running on Windows or Linux operating systems. You can evolve the hardware. Microcloud is a good point start for Cubics. Multiple microclouds makes a big cloud. Currently at Cogsa, Cubics is used to build a healthcare application called Free Health, which is a complex evolving problem consisting of hospitals, pharmacy, insurance, patients and doctors. This will show how powerful and capable is a man-machine intelligence framework while solving evolving problems. Large amount of unstructured customer data is collected in financial institutes, with very little information extraction. Cubics can bring more information and knowledge base with literally no limits. With Cubics, sky is the limit. For more details, please visit cogsa.com.